Hi guys, welcome back for another video from Wright's cooking channel. Today we're gonna make you spaghetti. So let's get started. We're gonna add a little oil and cook our vegetables. I'm gonna add my garlic. And then I'm gonna add my sweet pepper. Now that it's cooked, we're going to add it to the side. We're going to put it into this pan. Now I'm going to add my sausage. I'm cooking it until it's not pink anymore. Now that my sausage is done, I'm going to add it to the side and then cook my ground turkey. Now we're going to add our seasoning.
This is paprika. We're going to add basil leaves. We're going to add some salt-free seasoning. We're going to add garlic powder. We're going to add cilantro leaves. And now we're just going to add our salt. And we're going to add our pepper. And now we're just going to stir it and get it all incorporated together and cook the meat until it's not pink anymore, until it's nice and brown. Now we're going to add our sausage and vegetables to our ground turkey. Alright, we have our portobello mushrooms, and we're going to give them a little cut, and we're going to add them to the meat mixture. Okay, next we're going to add our tomatoes. And now we're going to add our jalapenos. Now it's time to add our spaghetti sauce, and this is the kind we use for cheese hunts. Okay. Now we're just going to stir it and get it all mixed in together. And this is the part where you're going to check to make sure your mixture tastes the way you want it. Okay, well, it needs a little more seasoning to it. We're gonna re-season a little and add some more paprika and garlic powder. And we're gonna add the salt-free seasoning and basil. And we're going to add a little more salt. And garlic. Okay. Okay, I normally add sugar to my spaghetti sauce to give it a good flavor, and right now we're going to add Splenda because we don't eat regular sugar. So you can add 2 tablespoons of regular sugar. And we're going to stir it and just let it cook all together. In this pot, I have my spaghetti boiling. And we're almost ready for the next part. Okay, now that our spaghetti is done and rinsed, we're going to add it to the sauce mixture. And we're going to stir it up. Oh, it's looking delicious. Mm. The meat all incorporated with the spaghetti. We're going to add it to this dish. And I have preheated my oven to 350. And okay, now that we have everything added to the dish, we're going to add cheese to it. Okay, That's enough cheese for right now. And we're gonna stir the cheese in there a little bit. Okay. And now we're gonna add another layer of cheese on the top, and we're gonna put it in the oven. Okay, just putting the cheese on the top, and we're gonna add it to the oven. And we'll be back when it's ready. Alrighty, we're back. Here's our baked spaghetti. We baked uncovered for about 20 minutes. And this is what we have. It looks so yummy and delicious.
Okay guys, I'm gonna dish you a plate and I hope you enjoy it. It's very
Okay, cut it. Okay, this is our meal. We're gonna eat some croissants with it. And croissants. Okay, this is what we have. This is it plated up. It looks very good. And this is it again over here. Yeah. This is how we make our spaghetti. We bake it in the oven, uncovered for 20 minutes. And voila, here you go. Thank you guys so much for visiting our channel. And we are doing so great on our channel. Our subscribers are going up. We're halfway there already. And we just been enjoying cooking for you guys and doing the things that we love to do, okay? Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment and subscribe, and leave us a comment and tell us how we're doing. And we just thank all of our new subscribers for coming to our channel. Bye-bye.